Sally. Are you okay? Get up, Sally.
Sally, are you okay? آیا ته ښه یې؟ Get up, Sally. پاسه Sally.
Can you hear me? Are you hurt?
Can you hear me? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟ Are you hurt? آیا ته زخمی شولې؟
What happened, Sally? Why were you crying?
What happened, Sally? څه واقع شول Sally? Why were you crying? تا ولې ژړل؟
Allison pushed me. She wants to kick me out.
Allison pushed me. Allison ما ته دیکه راکړه. push ویل کېږي دیکه ورکول. She wants to kick me out. هغه غواړي چې ما وباسي. kick out ویل کېږي شړلو ته.
Allison, are you out of your mind? Why did you push Sally?
Allison, are you out of your mind? آیا تا خپل دماغ لاسه ورکړی دی؟ Why did you push Sally? تا سیلی ته ولې دیکه ورکړه؟
Kevin. She is a thief. She stole my diamond ring.
Kevin, she is a thief. هغه یوه غله ده. thief ویل کېږي غل ته. She stole my diamond ring. هغې زما دغه د سپینو زرو ګوته تښتولې وه یا پټه کړې وه.
What? This cannot be happening. Sally cannot do this.
What, sir? This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. Sally cannot do this. Sally داسې نشي کولی.
Allison found her diamond ring here. Sally stole that diamond ring.
Allison found her diamond ring here. Allison د هغې د سپینو زرو ګوته یې پیدا کړه. Sally stole that diamond ring. Sally هغه diamond ring تښتولې وه.
I swear, madam. I did not steal that ring. I am innocent.
I swear, madam. زه قسم خورم میډمه. I did not steal that ring. ما هغه ګوته نه ده تښتولې. I am innocent. زه بېګناه یم. innocent ویل کېږي بېګناه معصوم ته.
Please don't kick me out. We don't have place to live.
Please don't kick me out. مهرباني وکړه موږ مه شړه یا ما مه شړه. We don't have place to live. موږ ځای نه لرو چې ووسیږو.
Nobody can kick you out. I am with you, Sally.
Nobody can kick you out. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې تا وباسي یا ودې شړي. I am with you, Sally. زه له تا سره یم Sally.
Sally cannot stay here. Why are you taking her side, Kevin?
Sally cannot stay here. Sally نشي کولی دلته پاتې شي. Why are you taking her side, Kevin? ته ولې د هغه طرف کوي کیوینه؟
Sally is a thief. I am going to call the cops.
Sally is a thief. Sally یوه غله ده. I am going to call the cops. زه به پولیسانو ته زنګ ووهم. cops ویل کېږي پولیسانو ته.
You will not call the cops. This is my house.
You will not call the cops. ته به پولیسانو ته زنګ نه وهې. This is my house. دا زما کور ده.
You are lying, Allison. I know you don't like Sally.
You are lying, Allison. ته دروغ وایې الیسنه. I know زه پوهیږم. You don't like Sally. چې ته سیلي نه خوښوې.
You don't need to blow a fuse. Sally is just a housekeeper in this house.
You don't need to blow a fuse. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته دومره غوسه شې. Sally is just a housekeeper in this house. Sally یوازې دلته یوه خدمتګار ده په دې کور کې.
Mom, why are you not saying anything? Why are you as quiet as a mouse?
مورې why are you not saying anything? ته ولې څه نه وایې؟ Why are you as quiet as a mouse? ته ولې داسې د موږک په شان باندې چوپه یې؟
I am puzzled. We found Allison's diamond ring in Sally's room.
I am puzzled. زه اوس حیرانه یم نه پوهېږم رابنده یم پکې. We found Allison's diamond ring in Sally's room. موږ د الیسن د ګوته د سیلي په کوټه کې پیدا کړه.
Sally is a thief. I thought she was a good girl.
Sally is a thief. Sally یوه غله ده. I thought ما فکر وکړ she was a good girl چې هغه یوه ښه جنۍ ده.
She cannot stay here anymore. She has to leave this house.
She cannot stay here anymore. هغه نشي کولی چې دلته نوره پاتې شي. She has to leave this house. هغه باید دا کور پرېږدي.
I cannot tolerate this anymore. My daughter is innocent.
I cannot tolerate this anymore. زه نور نشم کولی چې دا برداشت کم. tolerate ویل کیږي برداشت کولو ته. My daughter is innocent. زما لور بې ګناه ده.
We have heard enough. You cannot insult us like this.
We have heard enough. موږ ډېر واورېدل. یا موږ ډېر درنه مطلب موږ ډېر واورېدل. You cannot insult us like this. نشئ کولی چې موږ داسې سپکاوی وکړي. insult ویل کیږي سپکاوی کول.
Mom, Sally is not going anywhere. I don't want to discuss this matter anymore.
مورې Sally is not going anywhere. Sally هیڅ چېرته هم نه ځي. I don't want to discuss this matter anymore. زه نه غواړم چې دغه مسله باندې نور بحث وکړو.
Why do you care about Sally? We all know she stole my ring.
Why do you care about Sally? ته ولې د سیلي باره کې خیال کوي؟ مطلب د سیلي ته ولې دومره خیال کوي؟ We all know she stole my ring. موږ ټول پوهیږو چې هغې زموږه ګوته تښتولې.
I am not going to forgive her.
I am not going to forgive her. زه به هغه معاف نه کړم.
Surprise. Where are you, Allison?
Surprise, حیرانتیا. Where are you, Allison? ته چېرته یې Allison؟
Who is in the living room?
Who is in the living room? د اوسېده په کوټه کې څوک دی هلته؟
Mom, what are you doing here?
مورې what are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
I wanted to see you, my sweetie. I missed you a lot.
I wanted to see you, my sweetie. ما غوښتل چې تا ووینم زما خوږې. I missed you a lot. ما ته ډېره یادېدلې.
What's going on here? Is everything okay?
What's going on here? د څه روان دي؟ Is everything okay? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
Welcome, my lovely sister.
Welcome, my lovely sister. ښه راغله زما مینهناکې خورې.
Sally is a thief, Mom. She stole my diamond ring.
Sally is a thief, Mom. Sally یوه غله ده مورې. She stole my diamond ring. هغې زما د سپینو ګوته تښتولې.
She and her mom cannot stay here anymore.
She and her mom cannot stay here anymore. هغه او د هغې مور دلته نور نشي پاتې کېدلی.
I did not do anything, madam. I am innocent.
I did not do anything, madam. ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي میډمه. I am innocent. زه بې ګناه یم.
Allison. Sally is a good girl. I know her very well.
Allison, Sally is a good girl. Sally یوه ښه جنۍ ده. I know her very well. زه هغه ډېره ښه پېژنم.
Come on, Mom. I caught her with red-handed.
Come on, Mom. I caught her with red-handed. ما هغه په عین موقع کې ونیوله. دی مطلب دی.
Enough is enough. I don't want to hear one more word about Sally.
Enough is enough. بس دی نور بس دی. I don't want to hear one more word about Sally. زه نه غواړم چې یوه خبره هم د سیلي باره کې نوره واورم.
Allison, you found your ring. You have to close this chapter.
Allison, you found your ring. ته خپله ګوته پیدا کړه. You have to close this chapter. ته باید دغه پاڼه نوره بنده کړې.
We all know about Sally. She is a pure girl.
We all know about Sally. موږ ټول سیلي باره کې پوهیږو. She is a pure girl. هغه یوه خالصه جنۍ ده.
What happened to you, Kevin? Why are you shouting?
What happened to you, Kevin? په تاسو وشول کیوینه. Why are you shouting? ته ولې چیغې وهې؟
I am with you, Sally. I will always support you.
I am with you, Sally. زه له تا سره یم Sally. I will always support you. زه به همیشه ستا ملاتړ کوم.
Mom, I want to say something. I cannot hide this anymore.
مورې I want to say something. زه غواړم چې یو څه ووایم. I cannot hide this anymore. زه نور نشم کولی دا پټ کړم.
What do you mean? Don't beat around the bush.
What do you mean? ستاسو مطلب ده. Don't beat around the bush. یو خبرې مه کوه. main point ته راسه. main خبرې ته راسه.
I love Sally. Sally is my life.
I love Sally. زه له سیلي سره مینه کوم. Sally is my life. سیلي زما ژوند ده.
What? You love Sally.
What, sir? You love Sally. ته د سالي سره مینه کوې؟
Yes, Mom. I really love her. I want to marry her.
Yes, mom. هو مورې. I really love her. زه په حقیقت سره له هغې سره مینه کوم. I want to marry her. زه غواړم چې له هغې سره واده وکړم.
Are you in your senses? I cannot accept her.
Are you in your senses? آیا ته په خپل احساساتو کې یې؟ I cannot accept her. زه نشم کولی هغه قبوله کړم.
You are a rich boy. You cannot marry with Sally. She is a thief.
You are a rich boy. ته یو مالدار هلک یې. You cannot marry with Sally. ته نشې کولی چې د سالي سره واده وکړې. She is a thief. هغه یوه غله ده.
Sally cannot stay here anymore. She has to leave this house immediately.
Sally cannot stay here anymore. Sally نشي کولی چې دلته نوره پاتې شي. She has to leave this house immediately. هغه باید دا کور سمدستي پرېږدي.
I will not let that happen. She is my life. I will marry her.
I will not let that happen. زه به دا پرېنږدم چې واقع شي. She is my life. هغه زما ژوند ده.
She is a greedy girl, Kevin. She is just using you.
She is a greedy girl, Kevin. هغه یوه لالچي جنۍ ده کیوینه. greedy ویل کېږي لالچي ته. She is just using you. هغه یوازې تا استعمالوي.
She wants your money. You should kick her out right now.
She wants your money. هغه ستا روپۍ غواړي. You should kick her out right now. ته باید همدا اوس سمدستي هغه له کور نه وباسې.
It is none of your business. Stay away from my personal matters.
It is none of your business. دا ستا پورې تړاو نه لري. دی مطلب دی ښه. It's none of your business مطلب دا دی چې دا ستا پورې تړاو نه لري. Stay away from my personal matters. زما له شخصي مسلو څخه لرې واوسه. Personal matters ویل کېږي شخصي مسلو ته.
Sally is a good girl. She is my love. I will marry her.
Sally is a good girl. Sally یوه ښه جنۍ ده. She is my love. هغه زما مینه ده. I will marry her. زه به له هغې سره واده کوم.
Nobody can stop me. Nobody can force me. I hope you all got it.
Nobody can stop me. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې ما ودروي. Nobody can force me. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې ما مجبوره کړي. Force ویل کېږي مجبورول. I hope you all got it. زه امید لرم چې تاسو ټول پوه شوئ.
Sally, I was not expecting this from you.
Sally, I was not expecting this from you. Sally, ما تا څخه د دې تمه نه کوله. Expect ویل کېږي تمه کول.
Sally did not steal Allison's ring. We have to check the CCTV footage.
Sally did not steal Allison's ring. Sally د Allison ګوته نه ده تښتولې. We have to check the CCTV footage. موږ باید ریکارډینګ وګورو. کیمرا وګورو. CCTV کیمرا مطلب ویډیوګانې وګورو. footage.
Oh my god. I forgot about the CCTV footage.
Oh my god. او زما خدایا. I forgot about the CCTV footage. ما خو د کیمرا رانه هیره شوې وه.
Come with me, Mom. You need to check the CCTV footage.
Come with me, Mom. له ما سره راځه مورې. You need to check the CCTV footage. ته باید CCTV footage وګورې.
You will find out the truth, Mom. Sally did not do anything.
You will find out the truth, Mom. ته به رښتیا پیدا کړې مورې. Sally did not do anything. Sally هیڅ هم نه دی کړی.
She is Allison. She is hiding her ring in Sally's room.
She is Allison. هغه Allison ده. She is hiding her ring in Sally's room. هغه خپله ګوته پټوي د سیلي په کوټه کې.
How could you do this, Allison? Why do you hate Sally?
How could you do this, Allison? تا څنګه کول شو چې داسې وکړې سیلي؟ وی Allison. Why do you hate Sally? ته ولې له سیلي څخه نفرت کوې؟
You put your ring in Sally's room. You accused on her on purpose.
You put your ring in Sally's room. تا خپله ګوته د سیلي په کوټه کې کېښودله. You accused on her on purpose. تا په هغې باندې تهمت ولګوو قصداً. په خپل هدف لپاره د خپل هدف لپاره په هغې باندې تهمت ولګو accuse ویل کېږي تهمت لګول.
Allison, what is this? Why did you do this?
Allison, what is this دا څه شی دی؟ Why did you do this تا ولې داسې وکړل؟
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You should be ashamed of yourself ته باید د خپل ځان څخه وشرمېږې.
I don't want to talk to anyone.
I don't want to talk to anyone زه نه غواړم چې له هیچا سره هم خبرې وکړم.
Allison, stop. We need to talk right now.
Allison, stop. Allison, ودرېږه. We need to talk right now. موږ باید همدا اوس خبرې وکړو.
Why did you accuse on Sally?
Why did you accuse on Sally تا ولې سالي باندې تهمت ولګو؟
I love Kevin. I want to marry him.
I love Kevin. زه له کیوین سره مینه کوم. I want to marry him. زه غواړم چې له هغه سره واده وکړم.
He is my crush mom. I cannot see him with Sally.
He is my crush mom. هغه زما کرش ته مور یې. کرش هغه کس ویل کېږي چې ته یو څوک ډېر زیات خوښوې. For example لکه زه وایم کنه چې هغه زما کرش ده مطلب دا چې هغه سره زه ډېره مینه کوم هغه زما ډېر زیات خوښېږي. کرش مطلب دا دی. I cannot see him with Sally. زه نشم کولی چې هغه له سیلي سره وګورم.
You know I am not your real daughter.
You know ته پوهېږې I am not your real daughter. زه ستا حقیقي لور نه یم.
Don't say like this. You are my daughter. I know I did not give you birth.
Don't say like this. داسې مه وایه. You are my daughter. ته زما لور یې. I know زه پوهېږم. I did not give you birth چې ما تا ته زیږون نه ده درکړی.
Where are my parents? Are they alive?
Where are my parents? زما مور پلار چیرته دي؟ Are they alive? آیا دوی ژوندي دي؟
Your parents were my best friends. They died in a car accident.
Your parents were my best friends. ستا مور پلار زما ښه ملګري وو. They died in a car accident. هغوی د یو موټر په حادثه کې مړه شول.
You were the only one who survived in that accident.
You were the only one ته یوازینی ته وې who survived in that accident چې په هغه پیښه کې بچه شولې ژوندۍ پاتې شولې.
Does Aunt know about me?
Does Aunt know about me? آیا تور مې زما باره کې پوهېږي؟
Yes, she knows the truth. Kevin does not know about your past.
Yes, ho, she knows the truth. هغه په رښتیا باندې پوهېږي. Kevin does not know about your past. Kevin ستا د تیر باره کې نه پوهېږي.
I want to marry Kevin. He wants to marry Sally.
I want to marry Kevin. زه غواړم چې له کیوین سره واده وکړم. He wants to marry Sally. هغه غواړي چې له سیلي سره واده وکړي.
Put yourself together, Allison. You cannot force someone to marry you.
Put yourself together, Allison. ځان سنبال که Allison. You cannot force someone to marry you. ته نشې کولی چې یو څوک مجبوره کړي چې له تا سره واده وکړي.
Leave me alone, Mom. I don't want to talk to anyone.
Leave me alone, Mom. ما یوازې پرېږده مورې. I don't want to talk to anyone. زه نه غواړم چې له هیڅ چا سره هم خبرې وکړم.
I will give you some time. You have to talk to Sally. You need to apologize.
I will give you some time. زه به تا ته یو څه وخت درکړم. You have to talk to Sally. ته باید له سیلي سره خبرې وکړې. You need to apologize. ته باید بخښنه وغواړې. Apologize ویل کېږي بخښنه غوښتل.
Kevin has to marry me. I have to think about Sally.
Kevin has to marry me. Kevin باید له ما سره واده وکړي. I have to think about Sally. زه باید د سیلي باره کې فکر وکړم.
Kevin is just mine. I have an idea.
Kevin is just mine. Kevin یوازې زما ده. I have an idea. زه یوه نظریه لرم.
Hello. It's me, Allison. Do you want to meet Sally?
Hello, salam. It's me, Allison. دا زه یم Allison. Do you want to meet Sally? آیا ته غواړې چې له سیلي سره ملاقات وکړې؟
Yes. Where is Sally? I want to meet her.
Yes, ho. Where is Sally? Sally چیرته ده؟ I want to meet her. زه غواړم چې له هغه سره ملاقات وکړم.
She is in Paris. She is enjoying a lot here.
She is in Paris. هغه په پیرس کې ده. She is enjoying a lot here. هغه د ډېرې مزې کوي.
I will confirm your ticket right away. Send me your passport photo.
I will confirm your ticket right away. زه به همدا اوس ستا ټیکټ کنفرم کړم. Send me your passport photo. ما ته د پاسپورټ عکس راولېږه.
You have to kidnap Sally. Will you do it for money?
You have to kidnap Sally. ته باید سیلی اغوا کړې وي تخته. کډنیپ ویل کېږي تختول، اغوا کول د یو انسان. Will you do it for money? آیا ته به دا د روپیو لپاره وکړې؟
Yes. I will kidnap her. I will be in Paris soon.
Yes هو. I will kidnap her. زه به هغه وتښتوم. I will be in Paris soon. زه به په پیرس کې یم ډېر زر.